Today we're taking a detailed look at one of the most practical and premium upgrades you can install in your Tesla. This is the SATONIC 2026 V2Pro screen swivel mount, designed for the Tesla Model 3, Model Y, the Model 3 Highland, and the new Model Y Juniper. If you've ever wished your center screen could swivel in every direction, this mount is exactly what you need. The first thing that makes the V2 Pro stand out is its 4-direction rotation. You can adjust the screen left and right, and also tilt it up and down. This gives you the perfect viewing angle, whether you are the driver, the front passenger, or even someone sitting while parked and watching a video. It makes the entire Tesla interface more comfortable and more natural to use. Another major advantage of this mount is that it keeps the screen almost exactly at its original factory height. Many cheaper swivel mounts drop the screen lower and ruin the interior alignment. But with the V2 Pro, the screen stays perfectly in place and maintains that clean Tesla design. No awkward angles, no sagging, and no shaking. The construction quality is also very impressive. The mount is built from solid, high-strength materials that feel premium and durable. The motion is smooth, the positioning is stable, and once you set the angle, it stays exactly where you want it without any wobble. Installation is also extremely simple. The kit is completely plug-and-play, and SATONIC includes special tools in the box. There is no drilling, no cutting, and nothing that damages your vehicle. Even better, it has zero impact on your Tesla warranty, so you can install it with confidence. For anyone who uses their Tesla for long drives, daily commuting, or parked entertainment, this upgrade adds real comfort and flexibility. It improves navigation visibility, makes media easier to watch, and enhances the overall experience of interacting with the main display. If you're looking for a clean and functional upgrade that actually improves your daily use, the SATONIC V2 Pro swivel mount is absolutely worth it.